Okay, you can start it.
Okay, so today we're going to solve an interesting question called range sum of binary search tree. So we're given obviously an input tree and two integers low and high. We want to return the sum of the values of all nodes with a value inclusive of this range. So inclusive means if a node happens to be 7, we're also including it. If a node happens to be 15, we're also including it. So we want all the nodes in the tree, add them together that are between these. So, okay, so many ways to do this. The way I like to do this is similar to the level order traversal question, where we evaluate each level of the tree, and if it's in the range, then we can add them to the sum. So let's declare a result that we're going to return at the end. We're going to append the root of the tree, which is 10, and we're going to keep iterating until we reach the bottom of the tree. So at each level of the tree, we're going to pop the node, and if it's not none, then we know it has a value. And this level is just storing the nodes of the current level of the tree. So if this is not none, then we can just append current.value. And then we append the left child and the right child. And then here we can create another list called TMP and append, well, if the list is not empty, meaning all the nodes, well, there's at least one node that's not none, then we can append the level to it. And okay, cool. So now we have all the levels and sublists, and so now we can just iterate over through this list of lists. And if so, the sublist, if tmpij, so the actual value inside of the sublist is bigger than or equal to low and less than or equal to high, because inclusive, then we can add tmpij. And then at the end, we finish our list of lists just to make it simpler and return the result. So as you can see, we have a list of lists, so we have to iterate over this, and we just check every single value to see if it's between that. If it is, then add it. So that's it. There you go. So
Okay. Okay. Sound good?